Annyeonghaseyo! First meal in South Korea for the 4th time. So, makompleto na natin ang winter, spring, autumn, and summer. So happy to be back. So we're now so for the 4th time, and the temperature today is 10 degrees. So it feels like baggy weather, but hindi siya super duper lamig na winter time, but this is a good weather to visit Seoul, diba? So very jacket lang, and hindi pa umusok yung ating
Pausok check.
no usok check pa, pero I love the weather so much. Okay, see you in Jeju in a while. Bye! Anyong nasa Ginpo na kami. Kaso, ano oras na? It's 3 o'clock. Yeah, 3 o'clock. Seoul time. Pero look at the airport. Na parang walang tao. Parang kami lang yung kukunin ni Lord dito. Tapos, hindi na siya baggy weather. Napakalamig. Feeling ko frozen hotdog na ako dito mamaya. Sobrang lamig, guys. Sobrang lamig ng 10 degree talaga sa Seoul. Like, mag-drop pa yung temperature tomorrow at 1 degree. Oh, anyong. Okay, guys. So, done na tayong mag-check-in. We're done checking in. And see, super legit yung Jin Air. Yeah, welcome to Jeju. See you in a bit. Annyeong. Sobrang nakakapagod yung gantong flight from Incheon. And then, pupunta kayo ng Jeju. Sobrang pagod. Tapos, late check-in ka pa. Yawa talaga. Okay, so we're waiting to board the plane na. So, super bilis ng process sa domestic ng Korea, no? So, from anong oras lang? 6 o'clock, and then 5 o'clock nag-open yung check-in tickets. Super bilis. Welcome to Jeju! Okay. So, we booked a Jin Air for our Jeju. So, we just got the ticket for only, I think it's $130 for 2. Very, na yan, last minute booking. Oh, first time flying domestic in Korea. Oh, I'm so excited. Malaki din siya. May aisle. Bigit natin. So, malaki din yung Jin Air. Laki ng plane nila.
Thank you for waiting, everyone. We are now ready for takeoff. Please make sure that your seatbelt is securely fastened.
Welcome to Jeju. Okay, so we're going to take the taxi na lang kasi mahirap mag-bus. Okay. First stop, mag-egg drop ka muna because we're so hungry. Okay. Breakfast muna tayo, guys. Super pagod na. Super bonus ang Nagnanay siya. Kasi nangiti lang siya and then you have to blend down. So I ordered a matcha latte. Okay guys, another tipid hack. Bumili kayo sa Martro ng patatim. It's like yun yung black pig na sikat sa Jeju. Tapos bumili kayo sa GS25 or Nice to See ng kanin. Magkano lang to? 2.9 won. Tapos ayan, view na. Mayroon na kayong lunch. Yes. You should taste, no? Kung worth it ba yung... Pero ang mura niya ha, 9.9 lang. So, dalawa na kayong kakain doon sa 9.9 tapos 2.9. Tipid hacks talaga. Tapos, kain na kayo sa labas ng GS25.
Pero bawal sa loob.
Pero bawal kayo sa loob. So, sa labas lang kayo. Bawal yung ibang food. So, yung kanin, ang dami. 2+1. Hanggang mamayang gabi.
Manina mo pinrape.
Yeah.
Ayun na siya.
Wow. Yeah. Oh. Mamaya na. Sige, tikman mo na. Let me taste. Hiwa mo ako. Hiwa mo ako ng pata. Ano ba? Dali-dali lang maghiwa.
Malambot siya.
Okay.
Malambot.
Ayaw mo mas mura papata dito sa Korea kaysa sa Pinas. Mahal sa atin eh. Ang gano'n masarap, lagyan mo na ng sauce.
Kaya pag nilagyan mo ng wasabi pala to. Hindi dapat.
Sulit siya. Hanggang mamayang gabi ko na ito full. Kasi ang laki ng pata, guys. Look. Ayun, ang laki talaga. Okay. Bye-bye. Okay, guys. Let's check out this tangerine. I think dito lang sa Jeju to. Lahat tangerine. So cute. Look at the cup. It's 10,000 won lang, Cute. Bilhin ko kaya to. 10,000 lang. Ang cute. Summer. So cute, guys. 15,000 yung nila, Jeju Island. So cute. Lahat orange. Lahat tangerine. They have the Hershey's mandarin. Payong tangerine, guys. Cute, Hello, sungkwan. Gets ko na bakit ka tangerine. Kasi ikaw ay isang ay! Guys, ito yung recommended drink. Halabong juice. Bibili tayo yan. Halabong juice. So cute. Ceramic glass. I think dapat meron tayo nito. Hello, Jeju. Ceramic teacup. So cute. I like this one. Okay. Ref magnet. Super cute. Oh my god. Dito lang to meron, guys. Cutie. Ben, ay yung halabong juice, Yung halabong juice. Tapos gusto ko to. Etong teapot. Hello, Jeju. Eto. Hello, Jeju.
This orange.
Oo, ang cute lahat. Yung halabong kailangan natin yan. Everyday maghalabong tayo dito. What's this? Oh, diffusers. I love it. This one is gel air refresheners. Cute. Okay, let's go to Dongmun Market. And oh, 1,001 lang oh. So ayan. So mga fresh fruits. And you know, nasa fish tayo. Ito yung halabong juice ben, no? 4. Saka yung 4 10,000. Tawaran natin siya ng ano. Uy, super mura ng mga oranges. Tangerines. So, legit talaga, guys. Uy, abalones. Abalones, oh. Guys, ayan o, mga gochujang. Dried peppers. 50,000 won. Mahal ah. Mahal nung... Ito yung kinain natin, no? Bang. Yung pata. 10,000 dito. Ayan, black pig. Sikat po dito yan sa Jeju. Ang ganda talaga ng market nila. Ayan, ayan yung market. Tapos dito, saan tayo? Punta tayo dun. Feeling ko, mas ano, hindi maputik. Oh my God. Kasi nasa fish tayo eh. So, ayan, dito hindi na maano. So, kailangan natin bumili ng halabong juice. See? Perfect. Yes. Ito, cuties, oh. Ayan. Tanan! Ito, apat talaga yung halabong juice. Apat na 10,000 talaga siya. Guys, don't worry dito sa, ano, kahit sa market ay na tumatanggap ng, ano, ng credit card. May free taste pa si nanay. You should try this, guys. We will buy it on the next day, no? Dapat try natin siya. Yun daw yung masarap. Yung may glaze. But look at the neighborhood around our hotel. Oh, I want to eat here. Oh, may sami. Ayun no, may nice to see you din. So, ang dami kainan dito. Ito pa, may samyawan. Ay, may kaldakso din. Ay, ang dami dito kainan. Masaya. Pwede na tayo kumain ng ano. Hi! Annyeong. Thank you. Wala pa kasi kumakain. Ayan siya. Philippines. Na. Diba? Super babait ng Koreans dito. No? Very approachable sila. Lunchtime na kasi, tas wala pa kumakain, I think so. That's why. Pero dahil mag-AWOL Cafe Street tayo, doon na tayo magla-lunch. Bye-bye. Guys, so, nasa daan lang yung mga tangerines. Look! talagang sa Jeju talaga yung mga tangerines. So, pagka kaya na ano siya, naging orange na, nahinog na, pwede na kunin. So, ang dali lang palang magbus din or commute dito sa Jeju. Just 1,401, 1,151. Yun yung just use Naver Map yan. And ano din, T-money lang kasi hindi gumagana yung private card dito.
Make sure na may cash kasi hindi siya pwede.
Totoo.
Pag mag-load
Just
kailangan
cash.
na may cash.
Yeah, anyo.
Kanya.
Wow. Oh, ilan ta cafe? Chosudong. Oh, orange. I think cute tong cafe na to, pero yung gusto ko kasi punta yung Hegije Cafe. Yeah. Oh. I just want to take photo lang tayo doon, no? Doon kay Kuya. Nakaupo siya. Hala, may nagsaswimming. Wala, gusto ko mag-swimming. Ay, ang ganda. Tingnan mo yan, no? Oh. Ganda.
Okay, ito na yun.
Hindi pa. Ayan pa. Ganda. Ganda. Uy, ang ganda. Ang linis ng tubig, oh. Gusto ko mag-swimming. Hala.
Try by this.
Ay, no. Dapat doon tayo. Ganda. Ang linis ng tubig. Ayun. Nasa Avon Street ako. Look at the view.
Pakalinis.
Yan. Gusto ko nang tumalon. At mag-swimming. Ang ganda. Ang linis. Okay. Kain na tayo.
Let's go. Focusing hard.
What do you want? Ito, ito.
Para siyang ano.
But
Ah,
I want this one.
That's matcha. Sarap. Nice to. Parang kakaiba. Eh, kakaiba yung ano niya, packaging. No.
Ano yan? Hindi siya matapos.
No.
Ito, it's like what's hot.
Parang masarap din.
What else?
This one. Parang masarap din.
Ay, oh yeah. Ito yung masarap sa kanila. You should get this. Ay, ito.
Orange ano.
Orange. Ito yung the best daw. Maybe we should get one.
Wow. How about this one? Yan.
No. It's like burnt cheese.
Parang masarap siya.
Ang dami mo naman.
Okay na yan. Isa lang. No, isa lang. Okay na yan.
Hi! So, we're going to eat sa sa Black Pig. Soksyongdo. So, the main branch, no? Ano siya daw? Air-dried and ano daw? Wet-dry? Something ganon. Tapos, matagal siyang dinry. So, Black Pig siya, only in Jeju. So, let's try it later! Yan, lakad-lakad ka muna kasi masarap maglakad dito sa Korea. Ang daming kainan. Pero dito sa Jeju, walang tao, no? Kasi parang kami lang yung turista, ganyan. Pero madaming kainan pa din. Tsaka, pero yung bus, limited. At tsaka ang tagal ng biyahe if mag-commute kayo. And, See? Ang dami na kainan dito. Oh. K-pop. K-pop store. Ayan, may Oliviang. Pero walang tao. Unlike Seoul, na sobrang dami. Ayan o. Ayun, Tangerine. ABC Mart. Ayan. So, see you sa Sukchung. See, nandito na tayo. Nakalakad lang. Isang ganyan, isang building siya, B. Mga super taas. Okay. Diyan yung Sukchung do. See. Oh. Premium pork. Ayan, Sukchung do special pork. Ayan. Ayan yung kakainin natin, guys. Okay. 2%? Samna. Okay, ang bilis natin.
첫 주문은 2인분부터 가능해요.
한. samna na. So, we place the order there.
Water try.
So, ayan yung price. So, pricey lang, no? So, kung sino, best daw yan. That's 39,000 won. Grilled pork ribs, 36,000. And isang dinner natin, guys, 4,000 na yan. 84,000. Okay. Okay? Narasa. Yeah. So, feeling ko naman, super yummy siya, no? Sana lang talaga. Yummy siya. Okay? So, guys, sila magluluto niyan. Sige. Worth it ba? They will cook it for you. That's why it's premium. Yeah, sige. Di na tayo kakain. Kasi ubos na yung budget mo for 1 week. Pero mo isang kain mo, 5,000, be. Yeah. I think, oh, yan yata cabbage. Ito, ini ate for you.
Tikman mo, anong lasa? Laki ng mushroom. Masarap talaga. Lalaki ng pork. Let's taste it.
I think medium rare.
Yeah. Sarap. Grabe yung rice. Ano yung rice nila? Organic na. Yeah. Kasi ikaw lang kumakain. Sarap. Worth it naman.
Okay. So, kala mo, so, umalis na yung chef natin. Kasi luto na siya. I think okay na siya. Alam mo yung mga beef dito? Para siyang medium rare yung luto. Wow. Tapos, baka ba yung mga baka may samgap. Hindi na yung samgap. kanin nila.
Lagyan mo na ano.
Tapos may sauce dito, tapos may roll. Ito yung roll. Masarap to sa roll. Yan. Init pa kasi. Ang init. I think okay na to. Super ano na oh.
Kahit tabi.
Init. Dumasang subo. Lumit mo. So here guys. This is our first day in Kluk. So, first stop is Mount Halasan. Okay. Okay, that way down. Let's go. Oh. So, maglalakad lang tayo. Parang terrain lang, no? Ayun yung Mount Halasan. Volcanic rocks daw yan eh. Sabi ng tour guide. Ben, or just take a photo. Hindi pa tayo makapag-selfie. Ang lamig. Nag-iilo na yata yung kamay ko. Tapos umuulan pa. Mahamog. Feeling ko winter na. Ganito yung feeling ko pag winter. Napalamig yung lahat ng ano ko. See? So pretty. Ayan. Picture mo to. Ang ganda na ito.
Ito na picture mo.
Ito. Yan. Picture mo. Ganda.
Picture mo.
Ayun. Sobrang lamig. Umuulan. Sayang. At ito maglakad.
Yeah, super lakas na. Ganda ng pictures.
So nobody can come in island and nobody can out of the island for 200 years. That's why Jeju got the unique culture and language. So Jeju people using the old Korean, which is not using in.
So now we're here at cliff. Cliff to eh, no? Jusangoli. Jusangoli Cliff. Jongwon. Ayan siya. Oh, okay. So, ito yan eh. Yung famous cliff. Okay. Sakit. So we're going to the cliff. It's so sunny here at Songpyepo area. So mas okay siya kasi kanina sa Mount Halasan umuulan. Ang hirap mag-tour ng umuulan. So nice. Saan kaya? Okay here. Observation deck. Dito na lang tayo mas kita yung cliff. See that? See? Pretty. This one. Yeah. Huwag na tayo mag-go down kasi mahirap eh. We're now in Chonjoyun Waterfall. Oh, so nice. Ang cute to. Ganyan yung mga bahay sa Jeju. Made of stone. Made of stone talaga yan. Wow. So nice. Weather is so nice now. Now, we're going to the waterfall. Medyo nakakapagod ah. Pero ang ganda. See? Look at that. Oh, sorry. Ganda. Nice weather. Kasi autumn, no? Look.
Okay, we're going to waterfall number 2. Yeah. We're here now. Yeah. Wow. Nice one. Grabe, nakakahingal. Napakataas. Yeah. Sobrang taas.
Water na lang siya. Sobrang pagod. Wow. Yan. Guys, puro tsaka yan. So, we're going now to Osolok Tea House. So, ayan, nakikita nyo. Tsaka yan. Kinultivate here in Jeju. Ganda. Daming tsaka. So, ayan. Ayan na tayo. Ayan na. Picture tayo dun sa tsakahan. Yeah! We're going to Osolok Tea House and the Innisfree Jeju House. We're not going to the Innisfree, but mag-take the photo muna tayo. This is the tea plantation. It's really nice. Dito wala makita sa Jeju. First time ko makakita ng tea. On the latan.
Ang baba lang yan, no? Good, dami. Nice. Pakaganda. Wow. Look at this. Nice. Very nature. Yeah. Oh, nice.
So now, wow, we're now going to the Asalok tea. I want the matcha. Look at that. Okay. Wow, daming pila, babe. Pwede ka na pumila. Just the matcha, oh. Sarap ng matcha. This one. Jeju matcha. Yung legit na matcha ng Jeju. Maybe I'll get the Jeju matcha. That one. Okay. Yung pila na. Okay, guys. This is the tea house. We need to buy this. Only in Jeju. See? This is the tea house. Ooh. So tea. Gonna get that and this. Matcha. We need that. Moroccan mint tea, hibiscus. Okay. What else? What else to buy? We have to buy everything because only in Jeju the chips, the tea. This is really good. Ito only in Jeju lang, the tangerine. Okay, we need to buy that. Oh, this one, green tea, matcha. Okay, cute. This one is matcha. Okay, dito na po mauubos ang ating pera. Green tea stick. Okay, perfect. Oh, ang dami. Milky oolong tea. Ay, eto. Yung green Jeju Orgi green tea. Woo! Perfect. Ang bango. As in. Sobrang legit. Sa Jeju lang to, guys. Meron. This pa. Ito. Sunset. This one then. Okay. We're gonna shopping now. Bye-bye. Okay. Next stop. Mount Somaksan. Yeah. Songak Mountain.
Since over here, take a group photo here. Okay, go up. I will take a photo. They are connected. They try to be high when the land. So they try to hide on what side?
Oh, there's a cave on the mountain. Yeah. Diyan daw nagtatago yung mga Koreans during the Japanese War. Cool. 5 minutes to the crater daw. Pero parang ayoko na ba eh. Tama na daw, hindi tayo adventurous. Pagod na ako. Ayoko na.
Try na.
Oh. The only exercise I need. Yun yung other side. Ang sinasabi ni Kuya. Ganon din naman. Tama na. Tama na, Kuya. Sobrang hangin. Super sarap mag-hike, no? Kung hiker ka. Wow, look at the sea. Mas bet ko dito, no?
Mahangin.
Sarap ng hangin. Ayun yung akyatin mo. Going to the crater. But I don't want now. See? Look at this. Look at the view. It's worth it.
At the highest peak of this mountain. So mataas siya. Up. Papakanta tayo ng golden dito. Napakataas. Nice. Wow. Nice view. It's the highest peak. Oh my god.
would be the Songbangsan Mountain. So this one, okay, that mountain. Okay, pagod na naman. So we're going to Bungmongsa Temple. Ayan, Bangsan Bomongsa. I believe daw everybody sabi ng ating tour guide. Okay. So this is a temple for good health. Okay. We have to pray, have to wish. Okay, the Eightfold Path. Right. Effort. No, ano dyan? Oo, magkapera. Yan, yan. Tama. Let's go to the Goldwood. Let's go to the Gold Buddha. Okay. Cuties. Oh, pangit. Bon appetit!